In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a feature branch using Sourcetree. Welcome to automateNow. I'm Marco Cruz. Let's dive in. And let's just say that we have a website that looks something like this. As you can see here, we have different sections. We have some menus that we can choose from. We have a search box over here and different things that we can click on, including a map. And we also have this form that we can submit as well. Now, let's just say that we have 3 different automation developers working on this application. And each developer is in charge of automating different sections of the website. We're going to take a look at a scenario in which this developer right here is going to go ahead and automate that form that we saw on the website. So let's see how he's going to do that. And this is what the repository is going to look like for this application. And typically we have a main branch, also known as a master branch. And this main branch is going to contain all the code in the automation framework. And what is normally done is that we create a copy of this branch, and we call this copy develop. And this is the branch that is used to add any new test or test scenarios to our framework. And in the case of this developer that is going to automate that form, they are going to need to create what is called a feature branch. And they do that by creating a copy of the develop branch. That copy becomes a feature branch, as we can see here. They will go ahead and develop any new scripts in this feature branch. Once they finish automating that piece, they're going to go ahead and merge their changes back into the develop branch so that everyone in the team can have those changes. Now let's go to Sourcetree to take a look at how we can create a feature branch. And here I have a demo repo on Sourcetree. Notice that here I have a main branch checked out right now. We also have a develop branch that we talked about. Let's go ahead and check out this develop branch. I'm going to double click on it to check out the develop branch. Once I'm on the develop branch, I'm going to go ahead and go to this button over here that says Git-flow. When we click Git-flow, we're going to get a new screen that looks like this. And in here we have this option called Start New Feature. Let's go ahead and click on that. And here we give our feature a name. And we're going to call this feature Automate Submit Form. In this field that says Start At, it has the branch from which we're going to create this feature branch, develop. So we don't need to change that. And here we can see a small preview of what this is going to look like. Here we have these blue dots, which is indicating the develop branch. And then we have the red dot, indicating the new feature branch that we're going to create. So let's go ahead and click OK. And notice what happened over here. On the left panel, we can see a new feature added. We see feature, and then it says the name of the feature, Automate Submit Form. We can also see here in the history that it's indicating that we created a new feature. It says feature / and then the name of our feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.